Welcome to our channel, where we provide actionable advice and strategies to help you break free from laziness, conquer your comfort zone, and unlock your true potential. In this video, we will share practical steps and mindset shifts that will empower you to embrace change, take bold actions, and achieve extraordinary results. Get ready to transform your life starting today. First of all, let's start with understanding laziness and comfort zones. Laziness can be defined as a state of unwillingness or lack of motivation to engage in activities that require effort, work, or productivity. It is characterized by a preference for relaxation, comfort, and avoiding challenging tasks. Laziness often leads to procrastination, a lack of focus, and a tendency to prioritize short-term gratification over long-term goals. Impact on personal growth and success. 1. Stagnation. Laziness can hinder personal growth and development by preventing individuals from taking the necessary steps to learn new skills, expand their knowledge, or pursue meaningful opportunities. 2. Missed opportunities. Being lazy may cause individuals to miss out on valuable experiences, professional advancement, and potential successes. 3. Lack of achievement. Laziness can prevent individuals from reaching their full potential and achieving their goals, as it inhibits the drive and dedication needed to put in consistent effort. 4. Lower productivity. Laziness often results in reduced productivity and inefficiency, leading to missed deadlines, subpar performance, and overall dissatisfaction in work or personal endeavors. 5. Mental and emotional impact. Chronic laziness can negatively impact mental well-being, leading to feelings of guilt, low self-esteem, and a sense of unfulfillment. A comfort zone refers to a psychological state in which an individual feels safe, secure, and familiar. It encompasses activities, situations, and behaviors that are predictable, require minimal effort, and do not involve significant risk or challenge. Comfort zones are characterized by a sense of ease and familiarity, providing a level of comfort and reduced anxiety. While comfort zones can provide temporary relief and a sense of stability, they can also hinder progress and personal development in several ways. 1. Limited growth. Staying within the boundaries of a comfort zone restricts opportunities for growth, as it prevents individuals from venturing into unfamiliar territory, taking risks, and acquiring new skills. 2. Fear of failure. Comfort zones often arise from a fear of failure or the unknown. By avoiding challenges and potential setbacks, individuals may miss the chance to learn from mistakes, develop resilience, and build confidence. 3. Limited innovation and creativity. Innovation and creativity thrive outside of comfort zones. By avoiding unfamiliar situations, individuals limit their ability to think creatively, explore new ideas, and find innovative solutions to problems. 4. Reduced resilience. Stepping out of the comfort zone and facing challenges head-on builds resilience. By avoiding discomfort and playing it safe, individuals miss opportunities to develop the resilience needed to navigate setbacks and overcome obstacles in personal and professional life. It is important to note that comfort zones are not inherently negative. They can serve as a source of relaxation and rejuvenation. However, when individuals consistently operate solely within their comfort zones, it can hinder personal growth, limit opportunities, and impede progress. Stepping out of the comfort zone is essential for embracing new experiences, taking calculated risks, and unlocking untapped potential. You can identify the signs and behaviors that indicate you are stuck in a state of laziness and complacency, which are 1. Lack of motivation. Feeling constantly unmotivated or uninspired to take action or pursue goals is a key sign of being stuck in a state of laziness. You may find it challenging to initiate tasks or sustain effort towards achieving meaningful objectives. 2. Procrastination. Persistent procrastination, constantly delaying or avoiding tasks that require effort or focus, is a common symptom of laziness. You may find yourself engaging in unproductive activities or constantly putting off important responsibilities. 3. Excuses and justifications. Making frequent excuses or rationalizations for not taking action or not pushing yourself beyond your comfort zone is another sign of laziness. You may find yourself finding reasons why you cannot do something rather than actively seeking solutions or alternatives. 4. Resistance to change. Feeling resistant or apprehensive about embracing change, trying new things, or taking risks can be a sign of being stuck in a comfort zone and succumbing to laziness. You may prefer the familiar and predictable. even if it hinders your progress or potential. 5. Settling for mediocrity. Accepting mediocrity or low standards in various areas of your life can indicate a lack of drive or effort to improve. You may find yourself settling for less than what you are capable of, whether it's in your career, relationships, or personal development. Now you may ask, what's the benefits of escaping comfort zone? Well, there are a lot of them. First, stepping out of your comfort zone opens doors to new experiences, skills, and opportunities for self-improvement. When you stay within it, you limit your exposure to unfamiliar situations, which can hinder personal growth. By actively seeking out challenges and embracing discomfort, you can expand your horizons and discover new abilities and strengths. Trying new things, whether it's learning a new skill, taking up a hobby, or pursuing a different career path, provides valuable learning experiences that contribute to personal growth and development. By pushing past your comfort zone, you can gain confidence in your abilities, enhance your adaptability, and uncover untapped potential. Second, seeking discomfort and facing challenges head-on builds resilience, boosts self-confidence, and enhances your ability to overcome obstacles. When you venture into unfamiliar territory, you expose yourself to uncertainty, potential setbacks, and the possibility of failure. However, it is through these experiences that you learn valuable lessons, develop resilience, and gain the confidence to navigate future challenges. Each time you step out of your comfort zone and overcome a difficult situation, you prove to yourself that you are capable of handling adversity and achieving success. This process strengthens your belief in your abilities, increases your self-esteem, and empowers you to take on even greater challenges with confidence. Third, consistently pushing your boundaries expands your comfort zone, allowing you to tackle bigger and more rewarding challenges. Your comfort zone represents the range of activities and situations where you feel comfortable and at ease. By actively seeking opportunities to step outside of it, you gradually expand your tolerance for discomfort, uncertainty, and risk. What was once intimidating or overwhelming becomes more manageable over time as you gain experience and build confidence. As your comfort zone expands, you become more open to taking on new challenges and pursuing ambitious goals. By continually pushing your boundaries, you not only grow as an individual, but also unlock new possibilities and achievements that were previously beyond your reach. To overcome laziness and embrace change, you need to follow these strategies. First, set clear goals. Start by defining clear and specific goals that are in line with your vision of success. Make sure these goals are measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART. Having a clear target to work towards provides focus and motivation. Second, break it down. Break your goals into smaller, manageable tasks. This helps prevent overwhelm and makes it easier to take action. By breaking tasks into bite-sized pieces, you can approach them one step at a time, making progress more achievable and less daunting. Third, create a routine. Establish a daily routine that incorporates productive habits and eliminates distractions. Designate specific times for work, rest, and leisure activities. By having a structured routine, you can cultivate discipline and minimize the tendency to procrastinate or waste time. Fourth, embrace accountability. Seek support from an accountability partner or join a community that encourages personal growth. Share your goals and progress with someone who can hold you responsible for your actions. Having someone to report to and discuss challenges with can provide motivation and support. Fifth, practice mindfulness and self-reflection. Cultivate self-awareness through mindfulness practices and regular self-reflection. Observe your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors to identify patterns of laziness. By being aware of these patterns, you can proactively address them and make conscious choices to overcome laziness. Sixth, adopt a growth mindset. Embrace a growth mindset, which is the belief that challenges and failures are opportunities for learning and growth. Instead of seeing setbacks as reasons to give up, view them as valuable learning experiences. Reframe obstacles as stepping stones to success and use them to fuel your motivation and determination. Seventh, take action and embrace discomfort. Push yourself to take immediate action, even if it feels uncomfortable. Growth and change often come from stepping outside of your comfort zone. Embrace the discomfort and uncertainty that come with trying new things and taking risks. This is where true personal growth and transformation occur. Eighth, celebrate progress. Recognize and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Acknowledge your progress along the way to stay motivated and reinforce positive habits. Celebrating milestones and accomplishments provides a sense of accomplishment and fuels your motivation to keep moving forward. Remember, overcoming laziness and embracing change is a gradual process that requires consistency and perseverance. By implementing these strategies, you can develop the mindset, habits, and actions necessary to break free from laziness and embrace a more productive and fulfilling life. Congratulations! You have taken the first step towards overcoming laziness and escaping your comfort zone. By implementing the strategies and mindset shifts we discussed in this video, you are on your way to unleashing your full potential and achieving remarkable success. Remember, change starts with a single step, so take action today and begin your transformative journey. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more empowering content.